I am Abhishek Chauhan, and I am the assistant professor in Department of Electrical Engineering. And this is the last day. I try to connect the FDP in last few days. So all the session is not completely covered by me, but there are few sessions that I covered. What exactly I feel that there are various participants and various faculty members, reputed speakers are from all the different backgrounds, and they have definitely have a specific knowledge about the Internet of Things and all. So all the 5 days is completely very nice for all of us, for our organizing team at IT Gopeshwar, the faculty members that are joining with us to make it a success. And but there are few things that are discussed in between. There are a few feedbacks also we are getting during this FDP program. And this is, I think, our institute is organizing in the past few years. We are continuously organizing different type of FDP programs, and this is also in that string that is on Internet of Things. I think this is the only FDP program that is targeting the Internet of Things. So I congratulate the organizing team members, Mr. Vijalwan, and all the faculty members. And I request that in that particular session today, when we are closing that FDP program and looking forward for more positive approaches. So I request all the participants, if anyone voluntarily have any kind of feedback for us. So if there are few things that we don't kept our mind when we are running that particular program. So I request anyone, if anyone want to give any kind of feedback from your side, any participant, please.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Please.
Mm, okay. First of all, I thank you to Mr. Dr. Bijlwan ji, who organized such a wonderful FDP in such a remote area where every time we face the internet issue, but everything was going smoothly. And also, I thank to all the speakers, eminent speakers, who provide such a good knowledge about the internet of things. And I hope next time we uh, we visit the IIT Gupesar as offline FDP, so we can view all the we can see the this beautiful place. I hope now I also thank to special thank to Dr. Vijay Bhaskar sir, who provides such a big knowledge about the internet of things, and also provide such a their papers on the IoT, so we can read and go for our research. Thank you to Mr. Bilwan. Over to Abhishek Chauhan.
Hmm. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sir for your valuable words. And definitely, we all together welcoming all of you to our campus that is situated at the foots of Badrinath ji and Kedarnath ji. So we are lucky enough that we are a part of our institute is a part of that divine place, and we are a part of our institute. So any other faculty members who want to share something, please.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Hello.
got you. We got your voice, sir.
Yeah,
Good
good
afternoon,
afternoon.
sir.
This is Dr. Deepak Kadam from Maharashtra, Sangli.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Welcome, sir.
Am
Yes,
I
sir. We
audible,
got
sir?
your voice, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You
Uh,
audible, sir.
it was very fine and pleasant this thing for 5 days to hear all the speakers. And it was just everyone was talking about a remote place, but with the glimpses of Kedarnath, which you had posted on the this thing WhatsApp. We are very happy to see all these things, and in dear future, as the participant has told, you can arrange it offline so that we can visit over there. We can see such a wonderful place over there at your institute, and then we can interact, because nowadays what has happened, everything is opening up. As we have defeated COVID, we may say right now, so that things will be very easy for us. And every now and then when we see interaction person to person, sitting over there in the campus and then listening the speakers. No doubt we have listened carefully, and the speakers were excellent. They had You have shared your research work, all the PhD work, and everything from different NITs and IITs people, this thing, resource persons. They were really looking into all the details, and they were explaining everything as if we were students, and we are always we are students when we attend all these types of FDPs and workshops. So thank you very much, sir, all your team, and then waiting for the next dear future when you will invite us at your campus. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Over to you, Abhishek.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable comments. And definitely, we are also keenly interested that you people come or visit our campus. And personally, we meet together for much more knowledgeable sessions. And there are a few things that are shared when we people are just meeting together. So, if any other participant who want to make any
Hello,
suggestions, feed. Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. Please. Yes, sir. We got
Yeah,
your voice, sir.
yeah. I am Puneet Bansal from UIT Haryana, and I have visited IT Gopeshwar 2 years back, 2 3 years back, and I really like the way you conducted this program on IoT. All the basic topics were covered, and the real life applications were also covered. I really like the sessions by Dr. Vijay sir. He discussed the basics. He discussed the software part of that, and the session on IoT in agriculture, that was marvelous. And I have visited your institute. I must say I'm missing the hospitality and discussion with you all. Abhishek sir, you must remember me. I'm from UIT Kushitra,
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir. We definitely remember, sir.
yeah, yeah. So I must congratulate you and Dr. Vishwanath ji and his team for this successful completion, because it is very difficult for the remote place like you to organize this kind of program, and this program was organized in very efficient way, very professionally, and I really enjoyed it. And along the program, you also shared the PPTs and video lectures. That was really helpful. So I wish you all the best, and by the graces of Kedarnath ji and Badrinath ji, we will meet again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Puneet sir, and definitely we miss you, and we also miss the UIT campus. The visit that you plan when every time when the IT Gopeshwar faculty members and the staff are going to visit to UIT campus. So UIT faculty members are just take us to different places, and even though with the discussion of different knowledge sessions in the campus and outside the campus also. So we definitely miss that particular trips also, sir. And most positively, or we can say in the positive direction, we observe that as the COVID is just uh, COVID situations are just fine, and the things are just completely opening up. So in near future, in upcoming months, definitely we can plan a few visits at the UIT campus, and we also invite all of you to our campus also. So any other participant who have any kind of suggestions, so please let us know. Okay, so I think these are the feedbacks that we got now, and now we are just at the last few minutes of that particular session, and after that, I just uh, want to invite Mr. Bijalwan, Vishnath Bijalwan sir, who is the coordinator of that particular Atal FDP program. So, Vishnath sir, please, we are looking for your words, the thanking words, sir, please.
Thank you, sir.
for inviting me. But I want, if anyone still wants to say something, then please. Dr. Swati Bhatt has said that really it was a great FDP. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Puneet sir. Thank you, Dr. Ashish Nanwal, for your kind and genuine words. And thank you, other participants. If anybody still wants to say something, please share your experience. Please. Hemlata Taneja, ma'am, if you want to say something. Any other?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, the session was very wonderful, and I don't have any experience in the IoT field, but I have registered for this for the learning purpose, and that was fulfilled. The lecture by Dr. Vijay was wonderful, and the today's session was also very wonderful. And yesterday, the healthcare, how IoT is working, that is also very wonderful. Thank you very much for conducting this workshop for us in this time, and it is very helpful for me. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your such a kind words. Any other participant? Please share your true feedback so that we can next time we can improve us for the advanced level of this FDP program. Because your feedback is really very important for us. So, Abhishek, I think there is no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can take the
Okay,
session
Brajesh Kumar
with the
Sharma has
vote of
said that
thanks.
forward. Yes, sessions were very good. It was a nice opportunity for beginner. Okay, thank you, Brajesh Kumar Sharma, sir. Thanks, Dr. Deepak Kadam. Thanks, Dr. Saddad and Dr. Arun Sekhar Baguna, Dr. Dharmesh. Thank you all. Dr. Swati Bhatt, thank you. So, heading, I would like to conclude the vote of thanks. So, very good evening to one and all gathered here in this virtually in this 5-day AICT Atal FDP program on Internet of Things. On this wonderful evening, I would like to present the vote of thanks. I extend my gratitude to the respected guests in the session, Dr. Ashutosh Bhatt, Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Semwal, Dr. Dhanapriya Singh, Dr. Vishal Kumar, for spending their valuable time with us today, also for encouraging us to achieve many endeavors. Thank you. My heartfelt thank to our beloved director, sir, Professor Dr. Krishnakant Singh Mayer, for always motivating us. Due to some urgent reason, he is not able to join this valedictory section. So, but I still thank him. I extend my gratitude to all the faculty members, staff, all HODs, deans, for helping us to organize this FTP program. Thanks a lot. It is my pleasure to thank the respected resource person of this FDP program. Without them, it is not possible to conduct this FDP program successfully. So I would like to mention their names also. Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Semwal, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Engineering Department from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Dr. Basudeva Behra, Assistant Professor ECE from NIT Jamshedpur. Dr. Arun Kumar, Assistant Professor Computer Science Engineering, NIT Rourkela. Dr. Tapan Kumar Mandal, Associate Professor from ICFI University, Dehradun. Dr. Mithun Kumar Ahirwal, Assistant Professor Computer Science Engineering, MNIT Bhopal. Dr. Virendra, Associate Professor GNDEC, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar, Karnataka. Dr. Vishal Kumar, Bipin Tripathi, Kumaon Institute of Technology, Dwarahat, Uttarakhand.
Dr. Judhishthir Mahapatro, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Engineering Department from NIT Rourkela. Dr. Ghanapriya Singh, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department from NIT Uttarakhand. Dr. Ravi Kumar Mandawa, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from NIT Bhopal, and Dr. Vaibhav Soni, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Engineering Department from NIT Bhopal. So I thanks all the resource person in this FDP. I sincerely thank all the media person, non-teaching staff, technical members for glorifying this conference. Last but not least, I thank all the participants, because without the participants, it is not possible to organize this FDP, because first of all, you all applied for this FDP. Then we listed you based upon your research interest and your qualifications. So thank you, participant, and especially thanks to all colleagues, fellow students for enthusiastically arranging this function. Without you, this function could not be a success. Thank you all. Once again, I thank one and all and unmentioned name wholeheartedly. And at last, I would like to thank two of my colleagues, Mr. Dr. Abhishek Chauhan. He's a head of the department in electrical engineering, and Mr. Astos Kohli. He is assistant professor in computer science engineering department in my institute here, Institute of Technology Gopeshwar. And at last, I would also like to say that कि कभी भी आप लोगों को मौका मिले तो you have to come Gopeshwar and call me once, so that next time your visit maybe if you are visiting personally or so delivering some kind of lecture, you are most welcome in my institute. You can call me anytime. So I can arrange everything for you. So this is the relation, 5-day relation of mine with you, all participants. So thank you, participants, and thank you all. Sir, regarding the test, Abhishek sir,
एक मैं सोच
would you
रहा था
like
कि
to
सब
say
लोग
something?
if it is possible for all the faculty members or the participants to keep their video on, so we can take at least a snapshot so that we can
Snapshot. Definitely,
so
I request all the participants, please put on your web camera so that we can take a group pic. And it is. I would also like to say that in future we can do some collaborative kind of work in collaboration, like research projects we are doing some FDPs jointly. We can organize. We are arranging 2 or 3 conferences this time in India, even in Vietnam also. So we can do collaborative kind of work. So your
DPST communication.
So Vishwas sir, हम ले सकते हैं अभी. I think there are.
Yes, I have taken.
You taken? Yes, please.
I have taken. So regarding the test, within 7 minutes are left there. 3:30 the test will be started, and it is the test consists 50 questions, and 2 hours is reserved for the test. So it is 50 questions and 2 hours are it's sufficient time for finishing the test. And test consists basic questions, so no problem. So thank you all. Thank you, participants.
Thank you,
The
everyone.
link will be shared. Okay, you can also share here. अब 4 minutes तो बचे हैं. We can share his link here also, and also in WhatsApp.
So, Mr. Sir, have you taken feedback?
Yes, sir. I have taken all the feedback of every session.
So the one criteria is that you must have to score at least 60% marks. Otherwise, we will not able to provide this certificate. That
Yes, this is
AICT
the
rule. AICT
as
rule.
per the AICT one. rule. 80% attendance and 60% marks is there. But I think
attendance may be relaxed.
quite
Attendance
good.
may be relaxed, but mass is mandatory. 60%.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
So all the participants have sufficient attendance, sir. Now we will send within 2 or 3 minutes. You can share, na? So please share the link here, and also in the WhatsApp group, and also I will mail the link to all the participants.
The question paper is objective totally.
The question paper is objective and consists basic questions of IoT. Simple paper is there, no problem.
Is here. Now you can start and you take your own time. All the best.
Vijay sir, can I close the session here and start sharing
you
the
can
link?
close the session. You can close the session and we will receive their mass at our end. And then afternoon or by tomorrow, we'll share their mass to them. Okay. Immediately
We will share the marks also. And regarding the sir, Vijay sir, last year the problem was there कि AICT Atal अपना आप ही हमें भेजता था link for downloading the certificate. Now this year
this
we
time,
have to
this
go.
time Atal will send.
This time we have to log in our account. Then we have to download it the certificate by ourselves.
Okay. I understand.
हाँ, वो कुछ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि हम जब सब कुछ अपलोड कर देंगे देन पार्टिसिपेंट को कुछ करना पड़ता है, लॉगिन करना पड़ता है, वहाँ वो दिखाना देखना पड़ता है कि अटेंडेंस एंड वो
सर्टिफिकेट तो बाद में देखेंगे, फर्स्ट लेट अस फिनिश द एग्जाम.
ठीक है. So I am ending this session. So thank you all. ठीक है सर, thank you.